Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEB's Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 8. So my dear student, let us start our class. Today is our lecture number 3 of half yearly exam, and today's SW number will be 3. My dear student, our today's topic name exercise 4.1. From 4.1 we shall solve question number 8, 12 and 13 as your CW, and question number 9, 10 and 11 will be your SW. I repeat, question number 9, 10 and 11 will be your SW. My dear student, you must do your assign SW regularly and submit it in our school campus in every Saturday within 9 am to 3 pm. My dear student, I have already written question number 8, 12 and 13 from your math books on the board. Now we shall start to solve question number 8. So here question number 8 is given that a minus 1 by a equal to m. Dear student, we can solve it by two ways. By using given that means a minus 1 by a equal to m, and by using left hand side. Okay, but here I use given that to prove it. Okay, so a minus 1 by a equal to m. Now I square on both sides 1 by a whole square equal to m square, squaring both sides. And this is given, this is side note, you must give it. Okay, now here we use a minus b whole square formula. So a square minus 2 into a into 1 by a plus 1 by a whole square, because a means a and b means 1 by a. So and m square means m square. Now a square plus 1 by a square, a and a cut and left 2 equal to m square. A square plus 1 by a square minus 2, change its position, go to the right hand side and it will be plus. Then we do a square again, 1 plus a square whole square, m square plus 2 whole square, and give side note again, squaring both sides. Okay, now a plus b whole square formula, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, and it is a plus b whole square means a square plus 2 into ab plus b square, and written as a to the power 4 plus a square cut, and here 1 by a to the power 4, these 2 is written here. And now we do calculation on the right hand side, m to the power 4 plus 4m square plus 4. Dear student, we need the value of a to the power 4 plus 1 by a to the power 4 only. So to change its position and go to the right hand side. That means a to the power 4 plus 1 by a to the power 4 equal to m to the power 4 plus 4m square plus 4 minus 2. So a to the power 4 plus 1 by a to the power 4 equal to m to the power 4 plus 4m square plus 2. As our proof is done, so we write here showed, because the question asks us to show that. Okay, if the question asks you to prove that, then here you write proved. Okay, 8th number question done. Next we shall solve question number 12. First of all, we read this question. A plus b equal to 13 and a minus b equal to 3, and find the value of 2a square plus 2b square and ab. So by using a plus b and a minus b, we need to solve these two expressions. Okay, here two formula is applicable, which is 2 into a square plus b square and ab's formula. Do you know these two formula? I hope you know. 2 into a square plus b square means a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square, and ab's formula is a plus b by 2 whole square minus a minus b by 2 whole square. Okay, 12th number question. First of all, we write given that a plus b equal to 13 and a minus b equal to 3. Now the first expression is 2a square plus 2b square. Here you notice 2 is common. That means we divide 2a square by 2 and we get a square, plus we divide 2b square by 2, then we get b square. So 2 into a square plus b square, and it is a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. Now we put the value of a plus b and a minus b in this expression. Here it is 13 square and it is 3 square. 13 jar 169 plus 3 jar 9. If we do addition, 9 and 8, carrying on 6 on 7 and 1. So 178 is the answer of 2a square plus 2b square by using these two value. Okay, now again we need to find out the value of AB. So AB's formula is a plus b by 2 whole square minus a minus b by 2 whole square. Now we put the value of a plus b and a minus b, which is 13 by 2 whole square minus 3 by 2 whole square. So 13 169 by 4 minus 3 3s are 9 by 4. 4 is LCM, 169 minus 9. Subtract and we get 160 by 4. If we divide 160 by 4, then we get 40. So this is another answer. I hope you have understood. Now my dear student, we shall solve question number 13. Express as the difference of a square of two expression. Okay. First one, a number 5p minus 3q and p plus 7q. Okay, consider this is a and this is b, so it is ab. So here we use this formula, ab's formula, that means a plus b by 2 whole square minus a minus b by 2 whole square. So here 2 a plus b, that means 5p minus 3q plus p plus 7q whole square minus to a minus b. Here a means 5p minus 3q minus b. Minus means both sign change, that means minus plus minus minus plus minus 7q whole square. Okay, now we do addition, 5p plus p, that means it is 6p. If we subtract 3q from 7q, then we get 4q by 2 whole square minus, if I subtract p from 5p, then we get 4p. If we add 3q with 7q, then we get minus 10q by 2 whole square. So here we take 2 common and here left 3p plus 2q by 2 whole square minus, here we take 2 common and left 2p minus 5q by 2 whole square. Notice these two cut, these two and these two are cut, and here left 3p plus 2q whole square and here left 2p minus 5q whole square. You can solve just like this on B and C. Okay. Next question number D. Question number D is 5x plus 13 and 5x minus 13. So it is A and B. So here we use the formula of AB again. So how can 2 by AB means A plus B, 5x plus 13a plus B means 5x minus 13 by 2 whole square minus by 2. A minus B. Here A means 5x plus 13 and minus B means minus 5x plus 13 whole square. Now we cut 13 plus 13 and left 10x by 2 whole square minus 5x cut, we do addition and we get 26 by 2 whole square. If we divide 10x by 2, then we get 5x whole square. If we divide 26 by 2, then we get 13 square. My dear student, no need to do a square, cause the question asks you to find out the answer as the difference of a square of two expression. That is, this is the required answer. My dear student, this is our today's lecture. And question number 9, 10 and 11 will be solved by yourself as your CW. And these problems are based on your previous problems. So it is easier for you to solve, and I hope and believe that you can easily solve this problem as your SW. Okay, my dear student, you must submit your SW because based on your SW, some marks is deducted, some marks will be added in your term exam. So my dear student, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.